Hello everybody, it's Michelle with Unicorn Spit. I'm here today to show you how I took brass fittings as well as some copper pipes and some E6000 glue to create these really amazing industrial drawer pulls and handles. I think they turned out really cool, and I'm going to show you just how I did them. First thing I did was go down to my hardware store and I got 1/2-inch elbows. I got 1/2-inch T-fitters, and I also bought these little end caps that fit the 1/2-inch pipe. I took my brass fittings and I put them in a tumbler. This is for doing brass, for reloading ammo. And I left them in there overnight and took them out, and they were all polished. The next thing I had to do was just wash off all of the leftover dust that gets collected all over them and give them a nice wipe down. And you can see they turned out pretty shiny. Here I'm making the smaller handles, so I cut 2-inch parts of the copper pipe. They came apart really easy. Each handle is going to need to have 2 end caps, 2 pieces of pipe, and your brass fitting. To stick it all together, I just put a little bit of E6000 glue in each end, popped the pipes in, and then turned them so it would fully coat them. I did the same with the little end caps on both. I also did the same with these elbow brackets and a long piece of pipe to make a long drawer pull. So we have 3 sizes going here. Here I'm taking a 1/2-inch wooden dowel and putting it in the end. Then I simply take my saw and cut it off flush to the pipe. It sticks out just a little tiny bit, as you can see, but you just take your sanding paper and sand it off. Once it's flush, make yourself a little pilot hole in both your drawer and the little metal fittings. Pop a screw right through the hole in the front and the back of the drawers, and you'll be able to slip them right on by screwing them into place. Once they were all hung up, they just looked so beautiful, especially against that beautiful custom mix of unicorn spit that I used on these cabinets that I also got from the hardware store. Didn't take any time at all for us to slick up this laundry closet and give it a whole new look. It looks so amazing, you wouldn't even know it was the same room that it was before. Until I see you guys again, be good, be blessed, and always let your creative juices flow.